The reason you crank it over without spark plugs in is so there's no compression, so there's no pressure on the bearing, so it can spin over really free and blah blah blah. I've seen guys take brand new motors and just start them, you know, without making sure there's oil pressure or anything. I know a guy who would remain nameless who started a car without oil pressure and ruined a brand new engine.
Yep.
No. It was the guy who should know better. Put it that way. Okay, so let's do it again and see how quick it goes up.
You moving?
Yeah, it came up the first time, and then I want to just make sure it gets oil pressure really quick. It should be good. But right now. Let's put some spark plugs in. It should start right up.
Do we have any?
Yeah, I brought some. Brought them ready to go.
We got a couple of used ones we can throw in there.
These have dyno time only on them.
We have BMW spark plugs.
They have these have anti-seize on them and everything ready to go.
Yes, it did.
Loctite.
Yeah. So how high does this thing go up? About like this high?
Yeah.
Oh,
You can the wheels go right here.
That's good then. Yeah, that's pretty good.
But it's like you get in the car, you're either sitting down or
Yeah.
can't quite be standing up.
Yeah.
How about we open that door too?
That's a good idea.
I'll show you back in the house. Get shit all over the front of this BMW out here.
Yeah, we're just gonna like
Gas
as soon as this starts, $9,000, baby. Rev limiter.
Hammer that thing.
Yeah, and actually, you know, so you want to run the new motor as little as possible. And
So we shouldn't take it for a test run on the street.
no, not really.
No drifting, huh?
No, we really want to break it in on the dyno. So really, here's the plan. We want to start it up, and
Make sure everything works.
The lifter's going to be clanking, and that's normal. And we want to keep it going. Yeah, we'll talk about it. We're not going to video at dinner, right?
No.
Well, that big unit in there, that's your carpet clean machine that you guys make? Wow.
Yeah, that's one of the versions.
So the big red part, do you guys produce that too?
So there's 3 pieces that
We make that whole thing and the wand.
Yeah, so you make the big
we
plastic
actually
tank.
mold
You made
the
that. Yeah,
plastic.
okay, that's what I
And
meant.
then the internals we buy, and then me and my team of one assemble everything. So it takes us about, like, that unit alone, if everything's molded and everything, it'll take us about a single person right now about 3-4-ish hours to assemble.
Just want to get it close. So here's the plan. It should fire right up. It's gonna. You got gas in it, right?
Yeah.
Okay. It's gonna probably clank the lifters a little bit, and we don't want to let it idle. We don't let it idle down because it's newer, so we want to keep it running. Once it starts up, and we know we got oil pressure. Your job is to watch the
gauge.
Watch the oil pressure. So hop in there.
So, like, when I let off the throttle to, like, let it not idle or anything, what RPM should I
Yeah,
do?
don't touch the throttle. Just let it start normally, and I'll do the throttle. But you just want to make sure it has oil pressure.
Okay.
lot louder. Sometimes there's one that's really stubborn that's like tick tick tick, that's really tick. But what happens is it takes the fluid has to get really warm and everything has to get warmed up, and then they'll quiet down. So what I'd suggest is start it and drive it as minimal as possible, and just get it, whatever you got to do, get it ready for dyno. We don't have to have body work on or whatever. We can take it to the dyno the way it is.
Yeah, everything. The wheels on there right now.
Yeah, but you got to clean this. That's
Correct.
Oh, yeah.
filthy.
As I've told you several times.
Yeah, so
in this case.
get that really clean, and then after it cools off, double check the oil, double check the water.
That's just leaking.
It's leaking?
No, nothing.
Oh, okay. I'd put it up and look underneath, make sure everything's really, really dry, and then clean that, double check everything, and boom, we'll go to the dyno and tune it up. Shouldn't take much because everything's pretty close. You know, we basically just took it out and put it back in where it was. So yeah, it's just snug that. We're gonna change it anyway, but it doesn't have as much timing in it. You know.